Hello, guys. Have you ever been on a date or spending time with a girl and wondered if she wants you to kiss her? Sometimes it can be tricky to tell. The signs can be subtle, but once you know what to look for, you'll never second guess again. There are a few clear cues that a girl might give when she wants you to make a move. Here are some of the most unmistakable signs. 1. Prolonged eye contact. One of the biggest indicators that a girl might want to kiss you is if she maintains eye contact longer than usual. If she's holding your gaze and occasionally glancing at your lips, it's a pretty strong signal that she's interested. Eyes are one of the most powerful ways to communicate desire, so if she's looking at you intensely, there's a good chance she's waiting for you to act on it. 2. Moving closer to you. A girl who's interested in being kissed won't stay on the opposite side of the room. If she's inching closer to you, leaning in, or finding ways to close the physical distance between you, she's setting the stage for something more intimate. It's her way of giving you the green light to get closer and take the next step. 3. Physical touch. Physical contact can be a very clear sign of affection. If she's gently touching your arm, playfully pushing you, or finding reasons to make physical contact, like brushing her hand against yours, it's her way of creating intimacy. When a girl wants you to kiss her, she might subtly place her hand on your shoulder or lightly touch your face. These touches are meant to build a connection and give you a signal that she's comfortable. 4. Tilting her head. A girl may tilt her head slightly to the side when looking at you. This is a subconscious body language cue that shows she's open to being kissed. When paired with a soft smile or relaxed expression, it's an invitation to lean in closer. It's as if she's softening her posture, showing you that she's ready for a more intimate moment. 5. Slowing down her speech and lowering her voice. When a girl is interested in you, her voice might slow down, become softer, and sound more intimate. This change in tone is usually a sign that she's trying to set a more romantic atmosphere. If she's speaking more slowly and quietly, she's likely encouraging you to get closer, and it's an ideal time to lean in for a kiss. 6. Looking at your lips. One of the most obvious signs that she wants you to kiss her is if she suddenly stops talking and looks down at your lips. This is a silent, almost instinctive cue that she's waiting for you to make a move. If you notice her eyes flicking to your lips, it's a pretty clear indication that she's ready for you to take that next step. 7. Lingering. During goodbye, if a girl doesn't rush to leave when you're saying goodbye, it's a sign she might be hoping for more. If she lingers, smiles at you, or hesitates in her departure, she's likely waiting for you to take the opportunity to kiss her. The longer she stays, the clearer it becomes that she wants to see if you'll make the first move. 8. Positioning herself for a kiss. Pay attention to how she's positioning her body. If she's turned toward you, facing you directly, and slightly tilting her head or face upward, she's making it easy for you to lean in and kiss her. She might also remove physical barriers, such as stepping closer or adjusting her posture to make the moment feel more natural for a kiss. So, if you notice these signs, eye contact, physical closeness, playful touches, and changes in speech or body language, it's likely that she's waiting for you to take the next step and kiss her. Recognizing these subtle cues will help you feel more confident in knowing when the time is right to lean in and make your move. Thanks for watching. If the like video and subscribe my channel.